Welcome to Foxtecc. If you can't hear calls on your iPhone unless the speaker is on, it likely means there's an issue with the ear speaker, the one at the top of the phone that you hold up to your ear. The loudspeaker at the bottom seems to work fine, so let's go through some steps to figure out what's causing the problem and how to fix it. First, we need to check if the ear speaker is actually working at all. Play any song or video at a loud enough volume since iPhones use stereo speakers, meaning both the ear speaker and bottom speaker are active during playback. To be more precise, you can search for a stereo sound test video on YouTube. These play audio separately in the left and right channels, helping you confirm if both speakers are working. If you can hear sound from the ear speaker during this test, then the issue isn't hardware related. In that case, a simple restart or updating to the latest iOS version might fix any software bugs affecting call audio. If the problem is still there, another setting to check is the audio balance. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, scroll down to Audio and Visual, and look for the audio balance slider. This should be set to the middle to ensure that both speakers work normally. If it's all the way to one side, the ear speaker could be muted. Adjusting this back to the center might instantly solve the issue. But if none of these steps worked, then the ear speaker is likely either dirty or damaged. Over time, dust and debris can block the speaker, making it seem like it's not working. You can try gently cleaning it with a soft brush or compressed air. If the problem persists, then it might be a hardware issue, and you may need to have it checked by Apple. Let me know in the comments if any of these solutions helped or if your iPhone is still having issues. And if this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching and see you later.